Hello everyone and welcome. Happy New Year. I have a Dollar Tree organizing hack for you today. Now this hack is going to give you a lot of additional storage using an area that most people don't think of to add storage to a small space. This will cost you about $5 worth of items from Dollar Tree, but it will provide you with an enormous amount of extra storage. Let me show you how to make it. You will need about 3 of these 8-pair shoe storage that you can pick up over in their organizing section. This is by Closet Essentials. Let me go ahead and open this up and show you what it looks like. So it has 2 grommets here at the top to hang this, and you get 8 pockets. Now this is very nice because you can attach these together to make it much longer to cover the back of your door, and that's what we're going to do. So here's my second one. And I'm going to be attaching it like that. So I'm going to come down and cover the 2 grommets on the one below. And how I'm going to attach these two is a combination of Aleene's Original Tacky Glue and some hot glue. You will want to attach all 3 pieces together in the same manner. If you're going to be adding a lot of weight to your storage, you'll want to go back and also add some staples. Put 2 staples on either side where the 2 pieces attach. This will give it extra security to hold the weight. Once you have the 2 pieces attached, go back and go through all the seams and hot glue them down to make sure that they are fully attached. Once everything is attached, you can start to fill. Now I've chosen to use this to hold all of my picks that I use in my wreaths. You can also use this to hold florals or anything that is long like this that you need storage. This is very nice because it takes up space that you would not normally use on the back of a door. Even if the door backs up to a wall, you can still use this and fill it. It'll give you a ton of storage for about $5. Now to hang it on the back of your door, you'll also want to pick up one of these over the door hangers. This is usually over in the laundry section. You can find it normally where you find the essentials. And you hang it over the door, and then you use the hooks here to hook on. And they are nicely spaced. You have 2 that'll perfectly line up and hold your shoe rack on the back of your door. Here is what my Dollar Tree shoe rack organizing hack looks like, completed and filled with all of my decorative picks. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's organizing hack. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and show some love in the comments. Thanks so much for stopping by. It's always a pleasure to see you. If you enjoy craft tutorials and hauls, you're going to want to check out these other videos. Have a great day, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.